Welcome. If you're using Telegram and those animated spoiler effects are starting to feel distracting or unnecessary, you're not alone. In this quick guide, I'll show you exactly how to turn off the animated spoiler effects so your chats stay clean, simple, and easier to read. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're on the main screen where you can see your chats. Next, tap on the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. This is the three horizontal lines, also known as the hamburger menu. From the menu that appears, tap on Settings. This will take you to all the customization options Telegram offers. Now, inside Settings, look for Chat Settings and tap on it. This section controls how your chats look and behave. Once you're in Chat Settings, scroll down until you find the Animations option. Go ahead and tap on that. Here, you'll see different animation-related settings. Under the Power Saving section, tap on Effects in Chats. This is where Telegram groups together visual effects used in conversations. Now look for the option called Animated Spoiler Effect. If it's currently enabled, you'll see a check mark next to it. To disable it, simply uncheck Animated Spoiler Effect. That's it. From now on, spoiler messages will no longer have that animated blur effect, giving you a smoother and less distracting chat experience. This small tweak can also help improve performance, especially if you prefer a faster and more minimal interface. And that's all you need to do. If you found this helpful, make sure to check out more tips and tricks to get the most out of Telegram.